Hello and welcome to this video tutorial showing Optimost integration with OTMM Media Widget, as well as showing Optimost traffic distribution. In the previous releases, OpenText Team Site and Extreme integrated with OTMM Media Widget as part of the OpenText Digital Experience Cloud. Optimost CE 22.2 integrated with OTMM Media Widget as well for a unified user experience. This integration provides the user with richer features like search, sort, and filter to increase user productivity in all kinds of site experiments. Using this OTMM Media Widget will additionally keep track of the assets that are being used. Optimost CE 22.2 also introduces the ability to distribute traffic across all available creatives for different audiences. First, log into Optimost. Load the experiment. Open Optimost Advanced Editor. Find an image to replace from OTMM. Browse OTMM for a different image. Search for the digital asset desired and save. Notice your digital asset in this creative. Now we will show Optimost CE 22.2's new capability of traffic distribution across different creatives for different audiences. To add an audience, click on the experiment menu and select Target Audience. Create an audience or select one from the available list, then click Save. Now you can distribute the traffic among the audiences. Click on the experiment menu and select Traffic Distribution. For the first audience, all visitors, enter the percentage of traffic to send to the original page versus the new creative. Select the other audience and enter the percentage of traffic to send to the original page versus the new creative, and click Save. That's it. As you can see, with Optimost CE 22.2, users will be able to easily browse, find, and place DAM assets with OTMM Media Widget for site experiments. Users can also set up a traffic distribution across different creatives within any experiment and map that to different audiences to measure the performance of their tests.